Hi everyone, I am Fabulosity and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm sharing with you how I set up a mini breakfast buffet on holidays or Sundays or anytime I just want to get together with friends and family and have a little breakfast and talk about what's going on in the world. So you'll see in this buffet that I have some croissant, buttery croissant in French. In English, they are crescent rolls. So when you go to the bakery or you go to the dairy department, you're going to buy those Pillsbury crescent rolls. That's what it's going to say. But in French, we have culture, girls. So we just go ahead and say, croissant. Don't take it personal. It's a croissant. Okay. Now, along with my croissant, I have some fresh fruit available for everyone to choose from. Look at these delicious strawberries and blackberries. Oh God, I remember picking blackberries by my grandmother's house. So wonderful and delicious. Okay, so I also like to add some fruit dips on the side to complement, or in French, complement my fruit. So I added some Daisy cottage cheese blends. One is strawberry, one is pineapple, and they are so very delicious. And on the very top, we have a serving of strawberry cheesecake dip that I purchased from HEB. And this is what it looks like when I sit it out for the family. I love this server. I grabbed this at Ross for under $20. Now, I always put out the plates and silverware for everyone, and what you'll see in this station is the fruit basket that I shared with you, and also I have a breakfast casserole sitting back there. I've made this before. It's in the Simply Delicious category on this channel. I'll attach it to this video. I thank you for watching.